Welcome to the Introduction to Smartphone Projection on the Kia Ceed III. Smartphone projection refers to technologies like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay that mirror your phone's interface onto your car's infotainment screen. This allows safe and convenient access to navigation, music, phone calls, and compatible apps while driving. The Kia Ceed III supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in mid to high-end trims. The Kia Ceed III supports both wired connections using a USB-C cable and wireless connections through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. These systems prioritize safety with large, easy-to-use interfaces and voice controls. In this series, we'll cover how to enable both wired and wireless connections, how to disable these features, troubleshooting common issues, and the benefits of using smartphone projection on your Kia Ceed III. Begin by starting your Kia Ceed III vehicle. Use a USB-C cable to connect your compatible smartphone to the car's USB port. Ensure your Android device is version 6.0 or later, or your iPhone is running iOS 10.0 or later. On the infotainment screen, navigate to the Settings menu. From Settings, select Connections, then Smartphone Projection. Select either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay from the options. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process and enable the wired connection. For a wireless connection available on 2022 and newer Kia Ceed III models with compatible hardware and newer phones such as the iPhone 13, first ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Step 1. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. This allows the wireless connection between your phone and the vehicle's infotainment system. Step 2. In the vehicle's infotainment system, navigate to Settings, then Connections, then Smartphone Projection. Step 3. Select Android Auto or Apple CarPlay from the options. Choose your device from the list and confirm the pairing. You might need to enter a PIN displayed on the screen. To disable Android Auto or Apple CarPlay on your Kia Ceed III, navigate to Settings on the infotainment system, then select Connections and choose Smartphone Projection. In the Smartphone Projection menu, toggle the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay option to off. This will disable the projection feature. Alternatively, simply disconnecting the USB cable will disable the wired projection immediately. Some models offer a factory reset option for permanent disabling of smartphone projection, but be aware that this will reset other vehicle settings as well. When encountering connection problems with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay on your Kia Ceed III, systematic troubleshooting can quickly resolve most issues. First, ensure your smartphone meets the compatibility requirements. For Android Auto, you need Android 6.0 or later. For Apple CarPlay, iOS 10.0 or newer is required. Also verify that your phone's operating system is fully updated. For wired connections, physically inspect the USB cable for any damage. Look for frayed insulation, exposed wires, bent connectors, or discoloration. Damaged cables are a common cause of connection failures and should be replaced immediately. Try restarting both your smartphone and the vehicle's infotainment system. Power off completely, wait 30 seconds, then power back on. This clears temporary software glitches that can prevent proper connection. Make sure both the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay apps on your smartphone are updated to their latest versions. Check your App Store for available updates, as newer versions often include bug fixes for connectivity issues. Finally, consult your Kia Owner's Manual or visit the official Kia website for detailed troubleshooting guides specific to your Ceed III model year and trim level. They often include diagrams and step-by-step instructions for common issues. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay enhance safety by minimizing distractions through voice control, large icons, and simplified interfaces that keep your focus on driving. These systems provide seamless access to essential apps like navigation with Google Maps or Apple Maps for real-time directions. Music streaming through Spotify or Apple Music lets you enjoy your favorite playlists hands-free. Communication tools ensure you stay connected while maintaining road safety. The automotive industry is moving towards deeper smartphone integration, with features like AI-driven navigation and augmented reality projections expected in future models. Kia aims for seamless, zero-touch integration using 5G or satellite connections. Be aware of cybersecurity risks and consider biometric authentication to prevent unauthorized access to your vehicle's systems. Keep your Kia Ceed III's infotainment system updated with the latest software through over-the-air updates or dealer installations. These updates enhance system stability and introduce new features. Regularly check for any recalls concerning infotainment bugs or connectivity issues. Visit Kia's website or contact authorized service centers to stay informed about safety updates. By keeping your system updated, you maintain reliable smartphone projection and gain access to the latest features, ensuring a smooth driving experience.